Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the iPhone to your Mac so image capture can see it. Plug in the Lightning or USB-C cable and unlock the phone. Once done, tap Trust on the iPhone if requested, and make sure both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled for wireless transfers later. Open Image Capture in Applications. The device should appear in the left column. If it doesn't show immediately, disconnect and reconnect the cable. Then wait a few seconds for Mac OS to list the iPhone. With the iPhone selected, scan the thumbnails and click to select individual items or press Command to pick all. Next, choose an import destination at the bottom, desktop, a folder or Photos app, and adjust the import settings like file name prefix and numbering if desired. Click Import or Import All to begin. Image capture streams files over the cable or Wi-Fi while preserving metadata. Make sure to check the Delete After Import box, only if you want to remove images from the iPhone automatically. After imports finish, verify files in the chosen folder and then eject the iPhone from Image Capture or Finder before unplugging. If transfers stall or items are missing, make sure iCloud Photos isn't offloading originals. Toggling iCloud settings or downloading originals to the device often resolves that. For persistent issues, switch cables, reboot both devices, and try again. If image capture displays errors, quit and reopen the app. That usually clears temporary hang-ups and lets the process complete cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.